again, and I'm going to demonstrate today again the language service. In the language service, we are going to learn today the text classification. What is text classification? You guys can learn from the learn.microsoft.com. I will share this URL in my video. Okay. So in the text classification means anyone want to label your data, that they can do classified your data. Okay. So first of all, I am going to show how we can use the Azure language service for this purpose. So first we have to go the portal.azure.com and then create a resource. Here we have to search language service, language service. Okay, you can earlier I also demonstrate the language service. So you can see here the language service. Now create language service and choose the custom text classification. Select continue to create your resource. Okay, and this is the your subscription. You have to select or create a new resource group. I already created a resource group. I selected this one and just select the region, and I am choosing the West US 3 as per my subscription. You can give any name. I am just giving the name language 5833 something. Pricing tier for practice, we can choose the free one. Okay, and I don't have a storage account, then create the new storage account. I created the new and a storage account name, storage account type. I selected standard LRS. You can click on the learn more about the storage account type, what are the pricing and all. You can go and check the details there. I click on this and click on the review. It will review your requirement. It will take few seconds. You can see review is completed. Now click the create button. Deployment is started. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait for it. Deployment are still in progress. Just wait 1 or 2 minutes more. So now you can see the deployment is completed. Now I'm going to resource group, check the our all deployment. You can see this is the language service and this is our storage account. Okay, first go to check the storage account, which type of storage each. It is storage v1, then we need to move to the v2 because v2 is most suitable for this demo. You can see here the storage account kind is v1, so we have to change this to v2. We need to upgrade it. So just I click the change. Just we need to click and click on the upgrade. It will upgrade the my storage account kind to storage v2. You can see upgrade. Now it's you can see here the v2 is completed. Now we have to provide the roles for this storage account. It is important because if current user does not have access of storage account blob data, then it will be 403 error whenever we are going to call. First, we need to go to access control here, and 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 we have to just click add and click on the add role assignment, and we have to choose the storage blob owner role. Okay, then click on the next button. Then you can see the selected role is storage blob data owner role. Okay, within the assign access, you have to choose the users group or service principal. Then you have to select the members. Now we have to choose your name. My user is this one. Okay, just select this user. I selected the user and click review and assign. So you can see adding role assignment started. So now we have assigned the roles for this storage account. So we have created the language service and storage account and assigned the role to the storage account. Okay. Now we are going to upload a sample articles. Suppose this is the free articles I have chosen for the purpose. I downloaded the articles.zip file. Just go there and I am extracting it. Extract all. You can see here all articles I added here. Now in the Azure portal, select your storage account. I just selected the storage account, this one we already created, and we need to go to the configuration. The configuration we can find in the settings and click on the configuration button. Okay, so this is the account kind we selected, storage v2. We just need to allow blob anonymous access. Allow blob anonymous access is disabled. We need to keep it in enable and click on save button. So successfully we upgraded this setting. Now in the left hand side in the data storage, select the containers. Okay, and I am going to add a container. Its name I am just giving like the articles. Yeah, if previously I am not able to get the access, just refresh your page, so you will get the blob anonymous access. So just anonymous Okay. And we have to just select the container, anonymous read and write access. Okay. Then select the create button. So it will create the container. So you can see container articles is created, and I just select the articles container, and just I am going to upload button, and I am going to add the articles. Click on the browse for files. I downloaded the articles buttons. I just okay, and click on the upload button. The uploading completed. You can see here all articles files are uploaded in this container. Okay, in this container I uploaded all articles. Now we have to go to language studio. So you can click here and go to language.cogniticazure.com, and here we are going to create a project. Okay, just we have to click sign in. Signage is important because we need to sign in from your current user so that we can access the language service. It's if it asking, select your Azure directory, your subscription. Okay, language, resource type language, and select your resources. I created the language service, I just selected it and click done. Now we are going to create a project. So just click on the create new, and you have to choose. It is the custom text classification. Just select the custom text classification. It will show your subscription. Okay, and it will show your storage account. Because we selected the language service, that will connect it with our storage account. Then we click on the next button, and there are two types of classification. I am going to select click on the single level classification, means each file have only one level. We can do the multi-level that we will do in the next video. First I am going to demonstrate the single level classification. Click on the next button. We enter the basic information, project name. I just added the name classify lab. Select English here. Okay, add if you want to add any description, then add the description. Click on next. It will ask to choose the container. So I am just choosing, I already created a container articles. Okay, and select no, I do not label my documents as a part of project. If document already labeled, then choose. Because my document is not labeled, then we select the first one and click on the next and create project. Now we can see the project is created, and I just click on the classify lab, and we need to labeling our data. So you can say data labeling all the documents we have uploaded here. Okay. So now we are going to label the each of the document. On the right hand side, you can see the activity pane. Select the add class. Okay. So we need to create our classes, like which type of data we are going to label. The first I am creating a class. Its name is suppose classified. Okay. One more class I am going to create like sports, news, entertainment. The four type of classes I created here. Okay. Now we have to label the each of the document with the any specific class. So for labeling, just select article 1. I select the article 1 and select the here sports. I select article 2 and which label, suppose I am labeling news. In this way we have to label everything. So you can see here in the similar way I classified each of the file in the different category. Okay. Now I'm going to save the labels. Click on the save labels button. After labeling, we are going to training jobs. So in the left hand side, you can see here training jobs. Select start a training job. I am creating train a new model. I am just giving the any name you can give. I am just giving classify articles. And you can see here, and I am selecting there are two way automatically split the testing set data or use manually. Okay. You can see here also after the labeling we need to set the data sets also. It is training or testing purpose. Suppose few are in training, few are in testing. We need to change as per. Suppose these are the I moved few are in testing. Okay. Now you can see here the this manual split of training and testing data is available. If it is only training data, it will be automatically. We can do both option automatically or manual. I am choosing the manual part. Okay. And click on the train. So you can see here classified articles, the name training is in progress. Training 0% complete. The training 100% complete. You can see here is still is complete. It will take another 2 minutes. After the training, it evaluation is in progress. It will take a few minutes. So you can see here classified articles training completed. You will get the notification. Now we are going to evaluate the model. After the training, you can see in the left hand side model performance. Just select your model performance, and this is the classified articles. I'm going to select it. So you can see here. Okay, now click on this classified articles. You can see here, if the scoring of your model is not 100%, means any one of the document is not evaluated correctly. So you can see it is 100% trained. All the details you can find here. Now it is, you can see any mismatch, then you can see here, but here don't know mismatch, then it is fine. Now we are going to deploy your model. So you can see here the next is that deploying a model. Select and select add deployment. You can enter the deployment name. I am just adding, and create a new deployment name. Okay, I am selecting my model which I created, and regions, by default regions, you can see here, and click on the deploy button. Its deployment is started. Deploying articles completed. So you can see here the model is deployed. Now that's all from the cloud end, and in the next video I will show you how to call from the Python from the any user point of view. So that's all for the day, and if you guys like my videos, then please like and subscribe. Thank you all.